So the setup is two 90s at the top with two 6-inch pieces, one 6-inch piece connecting the two 90s, and one here with some notches out of it. And then I've got a tube here, about 5 feet, and then I put a coupling here. This is just for storage purposes. If you can store a 10-foot piece, then I'd leave it solid. I will put a complete build list in the description below. Dimensions, they're optional, or however you want to do them. So I've got that one there. That's for the 1-story bit I've got around the front, and then here I've got another couple of extensions, different lengths. They don't all work together, it's a little bit too long, but it gives me a different builds, just make it a little bit easier when cleaning out the gutters. And then at the bottom here I go onto a little flexible coupling, and then I go straight into my shop vac. So the current situation here, all this combined with this tube here, is around about 18 feet, plus the black bit on the bottom is another couple of feet, so around 20 feet. I couldn't get up to there. Now that is 3 stories high technically. There's 1, 2, basement 3. I got that left side from the deck, and I got the side here from the ground, but I just couldn't get that. It's just too tall. But 2 stories, the system works great. And then I look to see the proof. There's not a huge amount in there, but a decent bit coming from that top gutter there. So I think it was more just blocked and overflow, and it wasn't full all the way along. So this is a method of cleaning your gutters. If you have a ranch or you have a 2-story house, I think this works perfectly well for me. When it comes out back here, this 3-story, it's just too tall. So I need to come up with another method to clean out that side of the gutter. Now what I realised was that the drain pipe coming down here, that was actually clogged at the top, then that was making a backflow all the way along, and that's why it was overflowing. So I got that all cleaned out. There wasn't too much in there, but hopefully that's cleaned out now. The front was a similar situation. It all kind of ran along to one side to where the downspout was, and that's just where everything was clogged up. So I got all that out. Shop vac worked great. This method was really easy, and it saved quite a few dollars actually. And when it comes down to the fall time, I'll save the same amount again, or even more actually, because I don't have to buy the components again. So a recommendation that I would make is make sure you do use some PVC cement when you're joining these components together. I got ahead of myself, and I decided to run a dry run just to make sure that the whole system was going to work, and I put it all together. I put it up into the lower gutter, and I actually lost a piece up in the gutter there. I was able to get it back, but just make sure you put your PVC cement together, or put it all together, put your PVC cement in. Make sure that it's all strong, you don't end up losing a piece up there, or you will have to get on your ladder and climb up there.